皆さん、また来てくださってありがとうございます。こちらはマンハッタンニューヨーク水曜日の午後です。ということでね、バックグラウンドにはセントラルパークのシープメドウを映しております。ということでね、今日の動画は久々にトランプさんのラリーをちょこっとニュースになったのを載っけています。なぜかというとね、トランプさんはもちろんこの罪なき冤罪の起訴でニューヨークに留め置かれているわけなんですけど、週末にラリーをしたんですね。で、ニュージャージーでしたんですよ。で、ニュージャージーっていうのは真っ青々の民主党州なんですね。そこでなんと共和党のトランプさんがやるっていうことも珍しいんですけど、実は10万人以上集まったんですね、人が。ということで、もう驚愕の人気っていうことでね、やっぱりさすが7400万票取った実力、そして彼が出した実績っていうのを、そしてこのバイデン政権に対していかに庶民が怒っているかっていうことの表れじゃないかなと思っているので、これを出してみたいと思います。で、一方、思惑通りトランプさんを冤罪でニューヨークの裁判所に縛り付けて、選挙妨害に成功した側のバイデンさんといえばね、またね、母系発言連発で、ラリー先ではもう政策そっちのけで、有権者に懇願する惨めさ、炸裂っていうことで、もうね、多分外国の人もみんな気づいてると思うんですよ。ジョー・バイデンがちょっとボケちゃってるとか、もうダメだろうっていうのは。ってことで最後にジョークも一発乗っけておきます。ということで見てください。どうぞ。
All right, how many predicted, 3 years ago that Trump would ever draw a crowd this big again? Well, almost 100,000 in New Jersey? Now something's happening out there. More Americans are seeing that the country is broken under Biden and that the promises Biden made were lies. That chaos is the only thing he's accomplished, certainly the only thing he's producing. And there's one guy who walked through the fire for him.
As you can see today, we're expanding the electoral map because we are going to officially play in the state of New Jersey. We're going to win the state of New Jersey, but we're also looking really great in the state of Minnesota and the state of Virginia. All across America, millions of people in so-called blue states are joining our movement based on love, intelligence, and a thing called common sense.
Yes, as the Angle has said before, Trump needs a 50-state strategy for American renewal. That means no state and no city left behind. Joining me now is someone who was in that crowd, New Jersey Republican Congressman Jeff Van Drew. Congressman, great to see you tonight. What does this turnout tell us? Are these people going to actually vote, or are they just there to have a good time?
Oh, they're voting. They're voting. They're serious. They love America. They love Donald Trump. And we know what they know, Laura. This is not a dress rehearsal. This is the real thing. We need to win this election if we want to continue to have our republic, if we want to continue to have American exceptionalism. This is for everything. So I wish everybody could have been there. The energy, the love. And you know what they don't talk about on a lot of the media? You will, but others won't, is the fact that we had 100,000 plus people, no incidents, no fights, nothing mean-spirited. It was all about America. It was all about the United States of America.
That must be why you're a congressman, okay? I don't care where you come from, where you grew up, how rich your parents are, how little money they have, the color of your skin. This is about saving this country. And the Biden campaign are not happy about having to perhaps defend New Jersey, but their stops might be a little different. Watch this.
Everybody thinks that the pond company is the biggest thing in Delaware. The biggest thing in Delaware are chickens. I need you. I need you badly. I need the help. Kamala and I desperately need your help.
Inspire the Democrats to go vote for Biden. Just intimate settings.
They're not inspired, believe me. I mean, we are inspired, and we've got to work hard, though. The one thing that I spoke about is that we can't take it for granted. And President Trump's right when he says we got to make it too big to rig. We got to win big. We got to win every state.
What do you say to all these other blue staters out there who are saying, don't even try to come to Connecticut, or don't try to come to Minnesota or Colorado. You're never going to pull off a Trump victory there. What do you say to them? Real quick.
I said, be ready because we're coming. We ain't sitting back. We're going to win, and we're going to win big, and we're not giving up one single state anywhere.
It's interesting.
What's going on? Electricity, 25% increase. Auto insurance up 33%. Used cars up 35%. Hotels up 15%. Groceries, this matters, up 25%. And this is a big one. You need $11,434 additional just to maintain the same living standard that you had in 2021. Did y'all get a raise
No.
between now and then? But that's what's happening. Rent is up 30%. Mortgage rates doubled. It's getting worse, not better. So what do you tell yourself about what you're going to do, how you're going to go about climbing out of this? Because we're headed in the wrong direction.
All that, ladies and gentlemen, and everyone else, that is called Bidenomics. And we are very proud of Bidenomics.
We're surprised by Trump. How many times does he have to prove we can't be trusted? Turn this primary from a campaign that's about negative attacks into one about what we're for, because we cannot get reelected. We cannot win this reelection. Excuse me, we can only reelect Donald Trump.
What do you do for a living now? You work for the Biden administration. Is your job to wear up or what's your job? There's a law. Okay, what do you do for the Biden administration? Show what job you have. I can't believe you admitted that for all these people. You have the freedom to lie. You could have said you were I want to be proud. What do you do?
God. Who's God?
You go to the South and try to sell them on Biden? What are you talking about? That's your f***ing job. You know, hey, listen, I know you guys like Trump, but Biden, I mean, wow. Are you ready to be on a plane or what's your high?